Welcome back to the channel, everyone. It's Jeremy with Super Duper Garage. Today we're doing something simple, but today we're messing with my power tank. And for years, it's been right here on the corner of my Jeep. I got a power tank, I don't know, about 15 years ago, I would say. And about 16 years ago-ish, one saved my banking on a trail in Colorado. And I was a convert ever since, and I've been carrying one shortly after that. It's done great on the corner here, but you know, it's time to move. I've hit it on stuff in the corner and rock rash, tree rash, and I've decided to go ahead and relocate it somewhere else inside the Jeep. Just that way I'm not smacking it anymore. I have put on a different cover already because of that. Bent the old one just slightly, bent the handles a little bit slightly, just from mangling up against something. So I figured might as well go ahead and move it. Let's find a different location for it and show you guys and follow along. So power tank has a bunch of different mounting solutions, kind of depending on your vehicle and where you want to mount it. So obviously I have it on the roll bar. I know some of the newer JKJL, they have different systems that actually have mounting points kind of inside the Jeep that they utilize, which is pretty awesome, not having to utilize the roll bar. But depending on whatever you have, they have different kits. So pretty simple system, really very handy, very strong. You know, this is aluminum, and then just a simple Allen that I have with my torque gun. I'm able to go on and off very easily. And let's go ahead and get this one off. That way we can move it. All right, so backside, they come with the rubber isolation just to help protect your roll bar. Obviously, this one fell down from taking it off. So that's nice that they provide that. Now, let's see where we want to move it. Give you guys just a quick look, just kind of what I mean and why I want to move it. So you see the nozzle here, the handle. You see how everything is kind of cocked off to the side, and that's just from me hitting things. You see all the scratches and bending it off to the side. So that's why I want to move it in a different location. Prime example why. unfortunately, I am not going to be able to use this location as I was hoping. But I want to show you why I'm not going to be able to use this location. So, I finally got the bottom one done, and thankfully going apart is much easier than going back together. But the issue right here, this little thing, won't latch. Doesn't do me any good if I can't latch my power tank to the actual bracket. So I'll have to look at another location. So that's too bad. I can do the top one, as you can see, but not the bottom one, unfortunately. So because of that, that location won't work. If I didn't have the speakers there, it would be okay, because then I'd be able to twist it a little bit and then I'd be able to latch it. But unfortunately, with those speakers in that location, I'm just not able to do that. So I guess on plan B. Alright, as you can tell, that is in there nice and secure. If anytime I need to, I can loosen it, twist this bad boy up to gain access. But with it sideways, I'm probably never going to turn anything on and attempt to run it with it sideways. I'd have to look up to see what Power Tank recommends, but with it sideways, I would think the way it works, it would not work as well than it vertical. So anytime I have to use it, I will definitely remove it. But since I have it tilted just a little bit, it sits nicely if I do have to put it back in. As you can tell, I started to put the brackets in a little differently, so I started to redo it. That way it made it a little easier anytime I did have to do it. So yeah, I kind of wanted it in the other location just so I didn't have to have it right here, but overall, I'm still pretty happy with that. Pretty good location. Should stay out of the way. As you can see, the line of the cage, you know, shouldn't, for the most part, get in any way of anything or debris, and whatever trees or whatever, it should just be a glancing blow and not have any issues. So not too bad. If you've never heard of Power Tank or want to check them out, go to powertank.com. They're a great product. I love them. I've been using them for so many years, and it's definitely worth every penny in my book. And don't forget to share around, guys. I appreciate it, guys. Thank you.